In a lush green jungle, a young and curious elephant named Ellie lived a life full of wonder and adventure, always looking for something new to explore and discover about herself. One sunny morning, Ellie overheard some birds talking about a magical river deep in the jungle that could grant incredible abilities, sparking her curiosity and sense of adventure. Along her journey to find the magical river, Ellie met a monkey named Max, who shared her love for adventure, and together they helped other animals in need, learning valuable lessons about kindness and bravery. As Ellie and Max finally reached the sparkling river, they realized that the true magic wasn't in the water, but in the kindness and compassion they had shown to others, discovering the greatest magic of all was being their best selves.